Sheer gel polish. Apply several layers to build up the color from clear translucent to solid opaque. Cure with UV light for 60s to dry. Package includes 20 gel polish colors of 0.25 fluid ounces, 7.3 milliliters, each plus glossy matte top coat plus base coat. Basic gel nail kit to enjoy the nail art from the comfort of your own home. Toxics-free. Lower odor compared to traditional nail polish. All ingredients in strict compliance with FD&C Act and SGS certified. Long-lasting. Last around 4 weeks if properly buffed your nail bed and applied base coat top coat. Any problems, send us an Amazon message and we will nail it. Top-notch customer service. Whether technical problems or product issues, our professional after-sales service ensures you a trouble-free shopping experience. Top reviews from the United States. Love them. These are great. They are opaque and only require 1 or 2 coats. They do tend to wrinkles if you put on a thick coat or don't cure them full, but otherwise very easy to use. The top coat is great. Overall great value, gorgeous and qreat quality.